Okay, good morning, everybody. Now we got red candles across the board here. Future's not looking good. Dollar index is bouncing a little bit, but the major trend is for that to go south. Guys, AKG is a possible runner for today. I mean, I pretty much said that. I said it could go a little bit more, maybe, perhaps, but it's above the. I think it's above a specific moving average, so that's a pretty bullish sign. And if it continues to be strong, right until open, I mean, we could have a spike and drop below that support or not. Right now, we see a little bit of pressure to bring those futures up, but I don't think this is really changing any outlook as far as I'm concerned. Um, a red candle is a red candle, and I think this is going to be another point where we actually go ahead and fail support. Um, and this is across the board at pretty much critical levels. If we fail it too, that's pretty that's bad. That's really bad. They say April's a good month for stocks. Well, I mean, not if the market's crashing. Um, I want to bring to your attention just an article I found here on MarketWatch. Now, April tends to be a winter for stocks. Fuck you. Okay, so the stock market might have another problem on its hands. Our call of the day. RBC's Capital Head of Equity Strategy. Lori. Hey, Lori. Investors think stocks are still too expensive and that their caution can't be ignored. No, it can't be ignored. Stocks are extremely overvalued. Investors don't see attractive valuations. Well, neither do I. Who unveiled the results of the firm's latest investor survey. The poll showed just see that the poll showed that just 16% see stocks as attractive, while 40% see them as expensive. Fairly valued, expensive, attractive. So fairly valued is a hold. Not a buy, not a sell, a hold. Attractive is a buy. So we see more expensive than attractive. So that is I'm surprised that many people see them as that overvalued, which they really are that overvalued. Don't worry, they're going to take a big haircut and everyone's going to be able to get in at great prices and have great stocks for dirt cheap. You guys just have to wait till the market crashes, and there you go. Then you pick up your stocks for dirt cheap and and then let the ride take you. That's really it. But buying now at the height, um, that's not really a good idea. I see Netflix right now kind of popping off here. It failed. It failed not failing, so it got support here real quick. I don't, um, but we'll see how that lasts. Um, anything else I could show you on this site? Um, valuations are a concern. So now also we have less constructive. What the stocks are less constructive. The companies are. And or no change. So that's pretty big. So how can valuations keep going higher if you know that's not the case? Um so we had a mixed session in Asia. Tesla is going bankrupt. Um oh wait, hold on. Oh, so it was a April's Fool joke. Haha. That's really funny. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So right now, let's zoom in here. Whoops. Let's get a 5 minute. Wow, the Dow is down right now 115 points. S&P is down 8 points. Nasdaq's down 44 points. Across the board, Nasdaq's got the biggest loss so far at 0.66, 0.67. Dow's got 0.47. So look at here, we're just in a downtrend. Lower highs completely. Looks like we're gonna fail here. Even like, I just want to show you guys. Excuse me, excuse me. I'm just so tired this morning. Um, can you see this? Yeah, you can see the. So see how it's first of all we had one run, and now here's the next run. So if you have two runs, um, all right, we could have one of these and keep going, keep dwindling on out. That's very possible. But usually when you see this the second grouping of light green candles, that's indicating that you're somewhere near midway. So basically, the stock can go a little higher, but I don't see. Yeah, right now we got lowering, but it can go a little higher if in some cases, if the markets push it. But right now, we're looking at a little. Oh, look, see. Yeah, I just don't see much um strength now. I'm expecting today to be a bad day. We're at 7 minutes, so let's um let's just pull up and see what levels we're actually working with. So if we drop 40 points, that's 7,020. So that's opening up right at support. Interesting, you know? Interesting that it's opening up at support. Now, if it opens up at support, that means we possibly could get support. Um, and that could change this whole thing around. But at this point, if we keep failing, I don't know. I mean, it's 9 o'clock. We're about, 30 minutes from the open, so pretty much anything can happen. But at it, I was hoping the pre-market would go higher so we could just drop and keep going down. But I don't know. It, hmm. You know, this 61, this 7,022. Uh, okay, /NQ is going higher. I'm watching on a different screen. Um, it's doing another run here. Not like, in the MACD, just popping back up. It wanted to, at least. Now it's fighting resistance at VWAP. But anyway, let's see. We're looking 7,022. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Well, actually, the comp is it says it's down 60 points, right? Oh, now it says we're down 42. So yeah, we would be at 20 something. Well, interesting. Could be I'm really not sure which way it's gonna go. It can go either way, but if we opening on support, it's probably gonna catch and hold the support. But if we somehow dip below and fail it, and then when we open we're below that, then that's resistance. So that resistance is going to be pretty hard to break, and we might test low. We might go down and really test those lows here. Um, Now what lows are we talking about? Well, off the bat, 6,900 is going to be one that it's going to test really quickly, and 6,600, 6,651. That's a 61%. It's going to major test that. That's dropping through the dropping through support. Look here, fail it, fail it. We are higher highs, so if we get lower lows, I mean, if it's higher highs, so if we get a higher low, then it might be an indication we're gonna continue to rise up into open. So let me just do you guys want to see the stock charts again? I'll just show you. We'll do it real quick. I say it every single time. You know what the 200-day moving average is. 6,700. If it's 6,700, 6,600, that's 6,700 to 6,600. That's the area where really the Nasdaq is gonna get support, and I think we're gonna go on another like leg down and go ahead and test that this week. Now we're gonna type in the S&P because that's the next strong chart. And what are we looking at? 2,363, 2,363, 2,363, 236. No way. Oh well, this is all futures. So don't listen to me. These are all futures. Oh no, at least this isn't. So let's pull it up here. 2363. Wait a minute. What the fuck? I'm so sorry, guys. It's 2,589. So it's blocking this, but this is a 23%. Oh no. What the fuck is that? 61%. Alright, so that's a 61%. That's very strong. So we might get some support. We might pass it and drop below it. And then we could even go 2,400 or 2,300 would be these levels here. These are majors, and this is a more newer fib to test this range. Interesting. So between this range, 23, 24 is ultimate support for this week. But we're looking to test 2,568 right now. So let's look at the Dow Jones. And this is my last chart, and I'm going to leave you guys for the pre-market. Okay, Dow's got 23,412. So again, we're right in this crust area of this 0 percentile. And then the Dow's got 22,352 as major support. So these markets got a lot of room to drop, and this double whammy is not expected by anyone in the mainstream media, at least. At least most traders know that there's flashing red signals everywhere, and that we should be very cautious about what we're doing. And this is major warning signals for the next crash here. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Check out my other content coming up. I had some fun shoveling today. I see AKG's backing down here, so looks like we might get a negative open for that, and that might break the trend. So that's that. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Oh well, I'll see you like 10 o'clock, 11. Take care, guys.